This is 2470 Ohio Street in Glenburn. Really nice location. It's a ranch home. Built, I think, in the 70s originally. And has a driveway with room for 3 or 4 cars, I guess. And the owner's just done a ton of work on it. It's got a heat pump that they added. It also has a oil-based boiler that does the whole house, but the heat pump was added, which was very efficient, and plus it gives air conditioning, which can be kind of rare in our area. This is a neat spot because it's got a fenced yard, which is a super rare item in our area, and it's big. Like, if you see a fenced yard, it's usually relatively small, but it's got gates over there, and then goes all the way back to the garage. The garage does come with it. It's a 2-car garage, and it does have a second floor storage area. It has a door in the front to access it, or a pull down set of stairs in the garage. So a lot goes way back into the trees. It's really a neat spot. The owner's just finished remodeling it, and it's move-in ready. It's got all new paint, all new flooring. They did updates in the kitchen and the bathroom, and it has a full basement. And then it's got this, what was a 3-season, but it's now 4-season. It's got all vinyl replacement windows. And this is big too, and it goes all the way around. Lots of natural light. Got a cathedral ceiling, and has baseboard out here. You walk from there into the kitchen, and kitchen is really good size. Actually bigger than normal for this style of ranch home. Cabinets on both sides is what makes it bigger. Usually they just end up with cabinets on one side, but got them on both. Plus you've got like a pantry storage cabinet here with shelves, upper and lower, and then you've got a big closet as you come in the door here too. So for a ranch house, it's really got great storage space because it's got another garage plus the basement as well. Again, there's room for a table here. It does have several ceiling fans in the house too. Not as necessary with a heat pump anymore because you get good cooling with a heat pump, and the heat pump is there. It's a Fujitsu, which is the best kind. They're the most expensive, but they will operate even in the colder temperatures. Give you another view of this room. So pretty good sized living room. And then you've got the hallway, again back to the kitchen there. And there is a downstairs as well, which we'll go into. And then here you've got pretty typical 3-bedroom ranch layout, kind of small, medium, large bedrooms. This is what would be the master. It's big enough to do a king-size bed in here. Has a closet on this side. Again, all the windows were replaced. That makes it nice. And then 3rd bedroom over here. And then the full bath. And full bath did have a remodel. It's a fiberglass tub, toilet, of course, vanity with medicine and cabinet above. Kind of nice. And then it does have a just extra like linen closet here in the hall. It does have an alarm system. That's an ADT. It's got a panel on the porch. I'm not sure if anybody will really use it. We don't have much need for it in our area. Crime is not a big problem, but it does have it. If somebody's worried about it, or if somebody spends a lot of time away, it could be useful. Basement is unfinished. However, it comes with a washer dryer, and could be some good space to have craft area or something. It has a big window, which a lot of these basements in these houses, you don't really get much natural light, but it's kind of neat. There's an old freezer, which actually does work. Pellet stove was something that was here. They're going to get rid of that. Got a little area over here with built-in shelves. And then over on this side, there's another freezer, which they're thinking somebody might use. It's got the updated electric panel. That's actually an oil tank for the boiler. And then washer and dryer that's fairly new and come with it. If you have your own, that's perfectly fine. You can use your own, but there's no need. The set that is here does work. And that kind of completes this ranch house. If you would be interested, visit our website, rentbangor.com, and do our free rental application, or give us a call. Happy to answer any questions you might have. Kitchen appliances obviously do come with it as well. So it's got the dishwasher. The stove is gas. It's got propane for that. And then refrigerator, of course. So if you are interested, get back to us. Happy to help you, and it is available immediately. We'd be fine with anybody starting from basically now until July.